Happy Sunday, guys, and good morning. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II, but you can call me Greg. It's a lot shorter. And now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. Today, I'm going to go to New Bethel Baptist Church to serve as his camera operator for the 9 a.m. service once again. It gets real interesting working the camera a lot. And also fun. So without further ado, guys, let's go get ready to head out. Alright guys, so here I am at the Bethel Baptist Church once again, performing my duties as camera operator. But before that, I better get started by turning on the camera, well, hopefully the lights if we need it, and also the monitors. So, I'll see you guys after I'm finished. Okay guys, so I just got finished turning on everything that we need, from cameras to monitors and a little bit of the headlights. So right now I'm here at the AV desk just chilling for a little while. We won't start for a little while though. But still, stick around guys and see how the whole adventure goes. Okay guys, so we are about to start the first service. So here I am once again on camera. So I'll see you all after first service. And I'll see you all afterwards. Okay guys, so we just got finished with second service. Right now I am just sitting here after sitting for a while behind the camera. It gets a lot easy working on the camera time at a time, but that's the life of a cameraman. So right now I'm just sitting here and I'm gonna leave in a little bit. But stick around guys, see how the whole adventure goes. And once again guys, it was another successful day working as the camera operator of New Bethel Baptist Church. I like working the camera a lot because it gives me a chance to work out the angles and also test it out a little bit. Well, test out the camera anyway. So guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on another adventure. I hope you all have a wonderful week as well as a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, go on down below and click on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on that subscribe button. So, until next time guys, remember, imagination, memories, forever on film. Until next time guys, have a wonderful week.